The Pioneer DJ CDJ 3000 is officially here and it is exactly like how we thought it would be. Let's talk more about it. What is good, you guys? My name is Deep and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. This is it, guys. The Pioneer CDJ 3000 is official and this is how it looks. We have been speculating all of these leaks and quite literally it looks exactly like how we thought it would. Although a lot of people were quite disappointed with how it looked when it was leaked, a lot has not changed even after it being official. Meaning it's quite underwhelming, but Pioneer DJ has done a very good job of making it feel like a worthy upgrade. But quite honestly, and correct me if I'm wrong, we were all expecting something a lot more exciting from Pioneer DJ, and that is mainly because of the DJing Gear I SC6000 and all of its great features. We all thought that if DJing DJ can do something like this, Pioneer DJ can do a lot more than that. And that is the kind of expectations that we would all have from a company like Pioneer DJ that has been dominating the market for quite some time. But now it's clear that the CDJ 3000 is a product that was designed keeping one thing in mind, and that is easy switch. The CDJ 3000 is not made to do a lot of things. It is made to do a lot of things in a better way. It is an update to their ever so popular CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 series, and DJs who will find themselves in front of the CDJ 3000s will immediately feel at home, and that is what the company was aiming for, which is to be able to switch from their old gear to new gear. There's very little learning curve to this, and that is what the pro DJs and the big guns of the DJing industry like in an upgrade. You see, I'm 100% sure that Pioneer DJ as a company could do a lot more with what they have done with CDJ 3000, and they can do a lot more what the SC6000 can do. But they have chosen to think of their existing customers, and they have planned an upgrade for the DJs who currently use the CDJ 2000 Nexus 2. Having said that, the Pioneer CDJ 3000 does come with some good features. It has an all-new MPU that is built in to these players, which means that there's essentially a computer inside of it that makes a lot of the other features like the key sync, key shift, Q link, touch queue, stacked waveform, etc. possible. But just to let you know, some of these new features that they've added will only work if you have connected the players using the Pro DJ link. I've already made a video about the Pro DJ link feature by Pioneer DJ in the past, and you too must go ahead and check that video out to be ready for the future that Pioneer DJ has in store for us. Okay, so what is my conclusion about these new players? What I feel is that the CDJ 3000 is just a stepping stone to what the company has for us in the future. What I mean is that this is just an introduction to the new dimension that they have in mind, which means that there will soon be another player which will be far more advanced and exciting. The CDJ 3000 is a good enough upgrade for their target market, and I feel that these players are a perfect balance between the old and the new. Yes, they could have done a lot more with these players, and they could have added at least 1,000 more features just like the SC6000, but they did not want to do this drastically, and that is why I think they still call it the CDJs. They are making a smooth transition to what will eventually be the industry standard once again. Well, that is something that I'm hoping it is. A lot of the DJs will still be disappointed, but a lot more DJs will welcome this new change in a good way. Talking about the price, they're launching the CDJ 3000 at $2,299, and that is roughly about 1,70,000 rupees here in India, but I honestly feel that it will be slightly lesser than that here in India because the DJM V10 also costs a lot less in India than in international markets. Well, that's all I had to say about the CDJ 3000 from Pioneer DJ, and I can't wait to get my hands on them as soon as possible. And just to let you know, my favorite feature of the CDJ 3000, that is going to be the stacked waveform, the ability to see the other waveform or the master waveform on the existing players. That's a great feature according to me. But what about you guys? Do you like these new players, or are you still disappointed with them? If you like the new players, what is your favorite feature of these new players? Please comment in the comment section below and let me know. It will be very interesting to read what you think about these new CDJ 3000s. Well, I hope that you guys liked watching this video today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and very soon there is going to be a giveaway on my YouTube channel, so please don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notified when that video is out. Also, follow me on Instagram if you would like to keep in touch. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.
Turn up. Let's go.